Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use single character match using XLOOKUP function. I have a sample dump here, so let's write the formula. So I'm going to write the formula. So let me tell you what I am looking for here. Let's write the XLOOKUP formula here, XLOOKUP. So in this formula I'm going to looking for character match, which is A1. So any cell which contains A1 should give me the result from this row, which is column E. So I'm going to write A1 a question mark, which means a character match, then comma, give the source range and then the result range, comma NA if there is no result, and there's a wildcard match. I'm going to write 2 as a partial match. So you can see 200 result is given here by using XLOOKUP formula, but it will not give a result for A13, which is also containing A1 character. The reason being XLOOKUP only gives you the first result. Now I'm going to use the filter function for to get all the results like A12 and A13. So what filter does is, if there are 10, 100, 1000, how many of matches with A1 character, it will give you the all of them. So I'm going to write the filter function here, filter. So what I'm looking here is this range. So I'm going to take a help of regex match to find the character match from this range, and then I'm going to write quotes. So what I'm looking for to include A1, and then so I'm going to write curly brackets. So it's a one character match, and then I'm going to add a dollar to end my search here, and then close the parenthesis. You can see the 200 and 100, 210. Let's assume that this one is also a different A1 related search, then we also get the other cell value as well. So this is how XLOOKUP and filter works for character match. So let me explain you one more time. So while using XLOOKUP, you write the character which you want to search for in the quotes, adding question mark, then you give the search range and then the result range, comma, what if there is no value, you'll write NA, and then the wildcard match or partial match, you will add 2 and then close the parenthesis. The same goes with the filter function, equals to filter. So basically you're searching for this range by using regex match. So what does regex match do is, it search for A1 in this range. So you should write caret A1, then you ask like start, and then you write curly brackets 1 and dollar, which tells regex match that stop after A1, and then you add quotes and end your formula. So if you write one more letter, then you can add here, right? So it depends on like what type of match you want to do here. So based on that, the filter function will work. So once it tells us how many A1s are there, then filter function pulls up all the numbers here. So that is all from my end. Thank you so much. We'll meet in next video.